All right, so our first Indian club move is going to be the slasher. Now the slasher is a good complex sequence. What I mean by that is you have to step out, you're going to swing inward, outward, there's a hand change. So it's a very cool move to do, gets the brain going, gets your neurology fired up, and it's just fun. So you want to make your moves large. Notice that we're stepping out diagonally, not laterally. And to guard. Next move, we're going to do over the near shoulder, over the far shoulder. Then we're going to come down with a sweep as we step back. Then back up with a hand shift, over near shoulder, far shoulder, step back, hand shift. Near shoulder, far shoulder, coming down. Remember, you step back, sweep. So it's a step back with the one leg, other leg staying straight. It's the leg that's out in the front that you sweep down beside. Then up, now let me tip you off here. This club never comes in contact with that knee, otherwise it's a no bueno. So, near shoulder, far shoulder, you swipe it out and around. And then hand shift up, near, far, sweep it out and around, clearing the knee. Always be careful of your legs when you're doing a movement like this. Two more. What I just showed you is a variation. So you can see that you can either swipe it down beside the front leg, or you can swipe it down with the leg that steps back. Either way works. It's good to pick one. Practice that first. Once you're proficient with that one, then add the variation. Make it fun. The next sequence with the club we're going to show you is called the McCool. Now, Marga is fairly unfamiliar with this move. She's seen it a couple times, but this is her first day of actually putting it into practice. So it's a complex move. There's hand shifts, leg work. It's a good one. So make it a joyous experience of discovery. I'll also do another video where I give detailed instruction on how to practice it, how to actually regress it, so you can get this down pretty easily. So we're going to start from a lunge position. Lift our clubs up. So we're going to swing back. Here, just go ahead and swing back. Forward, right. So the first part is just getting that swing. Then we're going to pull it up, back, cast, elbow cast, hand shift, and we're back on the other side. 1, 2, 3, hand shift. 1, 2, 3, hand shift. Last round. And there you have it.